Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to change the code on your DSC alarm system. This is for the power series alarms, which would be 832, 864, 1555, 632, 1832, 1864, 1816. I mean, all of them are pretty similar. And the keypad I'm showing you today is an LCD keypad. So this is pretty easy on this one. It kind of walks you through it as you're going. So to start with, you need to know what the master code is. And so we're going to change the master code first. So the master code on this one is 1234. So to change the master code, we're going to go *5 master code. It says enter master code. And now it says hit star to edit the user code. And user code 1, as you can see, has a P. That means that code is programmed. If I arrow over to user code 2, that code is also programmed. User code 3 is not programmed. But neither one or two are the master code. The master code on this panel is code 40. And on all of the power series panels. So we're just going to go 40. And now we're at the master code. So I'm going to enter a new code, and this will be the new master code. And I'm going to enter 4321. Now, if I wanted to change some of my user codes, I could also do that. Just hit, and now I can change this one. I'll change this one to 3333. And I could change the other one. If I wanted to add another code, I could go to this blank place right here, code 3, and hit star, and I'll just add a code here, 226. And so now I have 3 codes programmed in there, 3 user codes plus the master code. So that is how you change codes, and to get out of programming, you just hit pound. And now we're back to ready, or we're back to not ready because it says secure system before arming, and it looks like the back door is open. So I'm going to just bypass that zone. And now I can arm the system with my new code. Let's see. And it's working. And this code, I'm going to try this one. It is working. And the master code, let me go ahead and bypass this zone 2 again. Master code is now 4321. And it is working. So that's how you change the code on a LCD keypad in the Power Series DSC systems. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe and like, and I'll send some more videos out. Talk to you later.